Hi everybody, welcome to Taste Test Tuesday. What we're going to be trying today is, well, first of all, let me show you what we're going to be drinking. We're going to be drinking the Alani coffee right here. And this is in the maple donut flavored. So we're going to be drinking that. I'm going to give it a good shake up. I started to open it so I wouldn't struggle so much. But let's see. Because I have no nails, guys, at all. None at all. So let's see if I can get this open. And I even started it, and it's not opening. Hold on. I do have scissors. How about I try that? All right, I got it. Yeah, maple donut. This came from the Dollar Tree. So let's give it a good shake. This has 10 grams of protein in it. This one here, oh, double sealed. So let's get this open. Alrighty. And I got a little glass here. I wanted to see the color of it. I wanted to see if it was going to be this this color, but it's not. Oh, I can smell the maple, but I smell coffee too. So let's give it a try. Maple donut. It's good. I'm getting a very strong coffee flavor. And it's not overpowering with the maple like you would think it would be. Yeah. It's not. Okay. So, the next thing we're going to try is this here. Let me get this label off. Okay, now this came from Amazon. This isn't a sponsored video at all. And this is from a company called Taboom Chocolate and Candy Company. So this is a UK chocolate selection box. I guess you can get different areas of the country, you know. But I wanted to try the UK chocolate. And yeah, so we're going to give this a try. This was actually a gift given to me. So if you are from the UK, let me know. Are these anything that you have there and that you recommend or, you know, really like? Okay, let's see what's in here. The first thing I'm seeing is this. This is called Galaxy Minstrels. Pleasure worth sharing, it says. That's what it looks like. And I have no idea what this could be. It says milk chocolate, 75% in a sugar shell. All right. So let's give this a try. See if it's caramel or what it can be. Oh, they look kind of like a junior mint right there. Wait a minute, they're hard. Oh yeah. They're very hard. It reminds me of an M&M. Yeah. But not quite. The chocolate is different in this. They're not bad. Yeah, they're called minstrels. So anyway, know that they are, it says a hard candy shell on the outside, but it's hard. Yeah. Also have water. All right. Let's try. I'll say. Now, they have a Kit Kat. I guess Kit Kats are all over the place. This packaging looks different, I think. So, I imagine it's like any other Kit Kat, right? Let's give it a try. And like I said, if you're from the UK, I would love to know what's your favorite chocolate out there. Okay, looks like regular Kit Kat. Break off a piece. Yeah. Tastes like a Kit Kat to me. Yeah, it's funny that they would put that in there because Kit Kats are like all over the place. Oh well. That's the name of the company. All right. What are we gonna, now I tried these before too. They have these here. They're the Maltesers right here. Now this is like your malted milk ball. And like I said, I've had these before. And they're lighter in color. I think they're not the malted milk balls. I mean, might be wrong, but it looks it to me. So let's try it. All right. It tastes like I remember. I like ours better. The chocolate tastes so different on these. Maybe I'm just used to our chocolate. I don't know. And it says UK. Yeah. They're good, but the chocolate's so, so different. So different on that. All right. Now, this was given to me, so I don't know how much this costs. But if you go on Amazon and just put in this name, I think you'll be able to see how much it is. Okay, what else is in here? So we have 5 more things. Now, this is different. This is made by Nestl, but I've never seen this before. And it's the Arrow Purely Chocolate. That's what it looks like. Let's see what this is all about. So anyway, that's what it looks like. Different. I guess you can break off a piece. Let's do that. That's the inside. It says Purely Chocolate. So let's try it. It is like airy inside. I don't know if that's where they got their name from, but like Arrow. Yeah. I don't know. I like this. Again, the chocolate is so different. So different. It's not heavy, this one. It is like an airy chocolate. But it's all chocolate. All right. Now, what we're going to try next is, well, I'm going to save this one. All right, let's try this. This is Twirl. It's called. Oh, Cadberry makes this. Right there. Cadberry Twirl. Did we see these here yet? I don't know. I can't remember. But that's what it looks like. So let's break off a piece. This looks like the Arrow bar. Let's try it. That's good. So far, I like it all. This is my least favorite so far. We still have, oh, this is by Cadberry. And this is called Chomp. I have no idea. Let's give this a try. And that's what it looks like. Oh, look, guys. This is, yeah. This is caramel. It's salty. To me, it's got a salty taste to it. I don't really care for that. Caramel tastes different. I can't explain it, but I'm still chewing it. Yeah, I don't care for that. Alrighty. While I'm chewing it, let's try some more coffee. Guys, if you see this at the Dollar Tree and you like coffee, don't hesitate on this because it's really good. Plus you get 10 grams of protein. It's 12 fluid ounces. Yeah, 90 calories per serving. And serving sizes, 12 ounces. Alrighty. We have two more things to try. Let me put these back in the box. So far, I don't know if I have a favorite. I really don't. Maybe the Twirl, Cadberry. I don't know. All right, but we have two more to try, so let's try these. This is called Huda. 2 times Huda. Looks like hazelnut. And Ferrero makes this right there. Yeah. And it's in another language. Right. Let's open it up. All right, this is a wafer. You get two. And it looks like thick hazelnut chocolate in the middle. So I broke a piece off. It all crumbled. Mmm. Mmm. That's good. Ooh, yeah. Mmm. This is good. Ooh, I like this. See that? That's all pieces of hazelnut. Mmm. Hazelnut chocolate and a wafer. But, like I said, pieces of hazelnut. Which has, oh, it's such a good flavor. Mmm. So far, that has to be my favorite one so far. Yes, I like that. I've never seen that before. So, all my UK friends out there, let me know all about this. Because I'm curious. All right. And the last thing, I'm trying to pick up the pieces that is this here. This is Terry's chocolate orange made with real orange oil. All right. That's what the package looks like. I was looking to see if I could see, but I can't. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. I like the way they shape that. All right, let's try it. Break off a little piece. Oh, look, it comes off like in little orange sections. Let's see if I can break it. I can't. Doesn't look like anything. No. It's chocolate all the way through. Mmm. And you get the orange. Mmm. It's strong orange. Mmm. It's cute. But it's very strong orange flavor. Mmm. Reminds me of, I'm not even going to say. I'm going to be nice. All right. So, this was an interesting box. And I have to say, that's my favorite right there. And like I said, I've never seen it here. That's it for Taste Test Tuesday for today. This was a different one. Yeah, UK chocolate. That's what it says. And yeah, this was purchased and given to me as a gift. So I'm not sponsoring this at all. I just thought it would be fun to try chocolate from another country. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Have a safe day. And until next time, bye now.